Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It wouldn't be a typical Fritz shoot shooting session unless I did something dangerous. So, we're gonna shoot a cinder block. All week long I've been watching videos on YouTube of people shooting cinder blocks, and believe it or not one of them killed themselves or injured themselves. I'll probably break that mold right about now. What the fuck is he doing? Oh yeah. Let's even get in there a little more. Now, I know what's gonna happen. Eventually I'll get through it. Let's shoot the cinder block. You ready? We got the hypervelocity 40 grain Browning. Jesus Christ. Yeah, look at that. Are you shitting me? Ow! Alright, one little piece hit me, but nothing big. But, oh my God. Oh man. Alright, let's use the thick end first. 10 rounds of Browning, and we're gonna hit the thick spot and see how long it takes to go through. 2 inches of concrete, just about. All right, 5 shots. Safety.
Wow, yeah.
Nothing on the inside yet, but not bad. 22 LR? Really? All right. Brick, prepare to die. Hey, you hear that? 10 shots over there. He fired the same time I did. I hate people. Hey, look at that. Yeah, that's it, man. That cinder block is fucked. You know what? Let's shoot some Winchester. Let's open the Winchester bulk. Wow, for Winchester, this shit looks good. We're shooting the bricks with Winchester. We know we're gonna break this shit. So, yeah. Rubble.